I'm Daniel. Like me, you're a go-getter and a high achiever. Like you, I often struggle to maintain daily balance, focus, and consistency in all areas of my life. I'm talking about work and money, health and happiness, love and family, community connection, and generally living with a purpose. It's a lot. I call these flashpoints FIRES, which stands for financial, internal, relational, external, and spiritual. Let's be honest, there's no magic pill or big secret to getting what you want and need out of life. It takes time, patience, and discipline to level up. These 5 FIRES are packed with raw fuel, pure power. When we intentionally light and tend these fuel sources, we reap the benefits. But when these fires ignite and grow out of control, we get burned. I created a detailed system to better manage the infernos in my life. The results? I started a new business in another country that grossed millions of dollars over just 5 years. I lost 21 pounds in 4 months and built muscle. The communication and relationships with my wife and kids dramatically improved. I'm plugged into my church and hometown and making new friends weekly. Most important, I'm daily living out my purpose, my core values, and my beliefs in a positive way. Let me show you how to harness life's fires to better serve yourself, your family, your workplace, your business, and your community. Simply watch my brief video or download my free ebook. Go ahead, burn brightly.